Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain how to use your virtual Cash App card in a store so you can start shopping even if you don't have the physical card with you. The virtual Cash App card works just like the physical version, but instead of swiping or inserting it, you'll be using it through your phone's digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. First, open your Cash App and go to the Cash Card section. Once you select your card, you'll see an option to add it to Apple Pay if you're on an iPhone or to Google Pay if you're on Android. Follow the prompts and confirm your identity, and within a few seconds, your virtual Cash App card will be linked to your phone's wallet. This means your card number, expiration date, and CVV are already stored securely for quick payments. Now, when you're in a store, look for the contactless payment symbol on the card machine or register. Unlock your phone, hold it near the payment terminal, and use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to confirm. The payment will process instantly, pulling money directly from your Cash App balance, just like a normal debit card purchase. The best part is that you don't need to wait for the physical card in the mail. As soon as you order a cash card, you can start using the virtual version in stores the same day. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.